Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can find and replace text from Canva design or presentation. So I will show you how it's worked. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we have that presentation. Okay, just click on that pages and you can see the all pages on your design. So this is all slides has the same word, which is creative presentations. Okay, so if you want to replace this, find it and replace it from all slide or one by or any other slide, you can do it. What you need to do, just hit the control plus F, then this control plus F. Okay, you need to hit control, and here you can see the option, go to the file, and here you can see the option find and replace the text. Then this uh, pop-up window will be open. Now you need to copy that text which you want to replace and paste here, or you can write manually. So we have 12 text here on every slide. Okay, what you want to replace with, just type that text. Okay, I want to replace this text with this text. Okay, so here we can click match case. Okay, now we are on first slide. Okay, this is the first slide. We have total 12 slide. Now we are on the first slide. So if you want to replace all slide content text, then you can simply click on replace all, then it will be replace all. And if you want to replace some random slide, then what you need to do, if you want to replace from slide number 1 and slide number 4, what we can do, here you can see we are on the slide number 2 1. Okay, so you can replace, you can select the replace, and this text will be replaced. Now go to the second slide. Here you don't want to replace, then go to the next slide. Now we are into 3. Go to the fourth slide. Now we are into the fourth slide. Now click the replace, and this slide's content will be replaced. Now we can select other slide. We have on fifth slide now. Okay, you can, now we are select 8 slide, 8 numbers. Now we can replace on it. Okay, and you can, or if you want to replace all slide content text, then just click replace all, and all will be replaced. All text from all slide will be replaced, you can see. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.